CDC-TV presents Health Matters.
911, what's your emergency?
21, 3rd and Lincoln.
Each year in the United States, approximately 20,000 people go to the emergency room for carbon monoxide poisoning.
Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas. It's extremely poisonous and it can kill you in minutes if you're exposed to it.
Yearly, 500 people die from carbon monoxide poisoning.
Fire and Rescue Captain Antonio Burden is a first responder and has been a victim of a CO leak in his home.
It's a strange feeling. Once you start that, feeling dizzy, then you get a tremendous headache. You also start experiencing nausea, and that nausea can lead to other symptoms.
In a really severe case of carbon monoxide poisoning, someone could lose consciousness or die within minutes.